Quiet on set. Action.
But it was playing. So you at least you in a little video scene. I'm gonna get that. Yeah. Big boy, lumberjack on my back. What's the word? Too? Yeah. Like, haters on my block. Niggas get shot. Running around this big time like I'm on a hot. Now I'm the killers on the D list. Yes, I'm clean, but I do it like a moment. Yes, I'm cookie. I do it no rookie. Everybody coming me. Yes, I do it triple D. On the floor, then the nigga wanna hate. Do it kinda good. Two pace. Louis on my bees, and the niggas wanna see me great. Up on the bar like get on the bite like hot. No type like honey on my bees. Yeah, I'm slapping like great. No great, but I think she need a shuck. I think she need to do it cause her name is Great Shuck. Go on the fight and try to get it. She get it on the floor, then strike it on the floor. And she really wanna go on my hand on the floor. Get it kinda hot. Come in the head, come in the dot. This one hate, no Tupac. Do it kinda good cause I'm up in the jet. Go and hit the flex. Do it on my mouth. I do it kinda good. Ain't trying to rap. Do it on this floor cause I know I'm rock polo. Polo on my knees, Diddy. She wanna hype me. Yes, I'm the beat to the deep. Do it kinda good. Trifling on my feet. J is what I say. Niggas on this replay. My name is Shun, yay. I put it up in the A. You ain't gotta like me. I do it kinda good. Yes, I'm no trifling. Put on the floor if you really wanna get it. You can get it on the floor. You can get it on the floor. Like really get it. Oh, don't like this bitch coming through, come to my door. Really ain't bad. I see you on your Louis drop. Yes, my trick. Yeah, think I call a doctor. Yes, Lamborghini hopping out with bikini. I do it kinda good. Yes, I ain't no teeny inch or teeny bit. Do it kinda grandma, honey on my flows, but I'm just a real thing. No, I'm not no rocker, and no, I'm not no flocker. I do it kinda good. They gon' have to block her. Hands on my feet, man. I think my belly growling. I think I need a burger, cheese up like a rally. Just like Lil Wayne tatted. I do it kinda good, make these girls get status. What the fuck you mean? You ain't triple kings, I do it kinda good. Step up in your bed, put it on my big flow. Get it, no polo. Put it on my triple, then I trip it up. Yeah, get it. Niggas wanna hate. I ain't even read about it. Get it, no hate. It's so funny. That's funny. Bye, haters.